We'll guide you through how to set 1-inch margins in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Microsoft Word, and so you want your margins to be 1 inch. 1-inch margins are a good amount because they aren't too close to the edge of the page, but also it's not too far in. So we're going to guide you through step by step on how you can go about this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Without further ado, let's get started. So what we need to do is we need to come to the top of Word and you need to come along and find the option for layout, like so. Now what you need to do is you want to come to the left and find the option for margins and you can go and click there. Now what you can do is you can come down and press custom margins and then you can come into margins here and you can go and type what you want them to be in. So at the moment they're set to 0.7, so I'm going to set them all to 1. Then what you can do is if you want it to be default, you can click set as default or just go and press OK. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.